Again, it's 3 a.m. and you're blaming collections because AR is creeping up. But most DSO problems aren't collection problems, they're invoicing problems. When a customer is confused by one invoice, they often put on hold all invoices. DSO spikes, cash tightens, and now everybody's scrambling. We've cut DSO by 18 days without chasing harder by making invoices crystal clear and sending a simple pre-due reminder. Your invoice should answer 3 questions fast. What did we deliver? How much did we deliver? And what was the unit price of what we delivered? Most MSP invoices are built for the provider, not the customer's AP team, and that creates friction. Think of your cable bill. Service usage, price, easy to approve, hard to dispute. So simplify billing, standardize the format, and tighten the timing. Clarity reduces disputes, disputes reduce holds, and holds are what keep you up at 3 a.m.